Howdy, drum circle peoples. It's me again. Your beloved moon.
You're fired, bruh.
You can't fire me, bruh. I'm the moon.
I enjoy serving you as your beloved moon. The next Prescott full moon drum circle will be on.
Good evening, Earth. You probably haven't noticed, but your beloved moon, the one who had been selflessly serving your twisted little planet for billions of years, has been recently replaced with a cheap replica by Galactic Command Central ticket number D4951845527. Look up into the sky, through the hazy smoke from your forest fires. Do you see the moon? Your overlords keep telling you that you're seeing the moon. You believe them, don't you? But the moon is not what you're seeing. You don't believe us. We brought a guest with us. Would you like to meet him? His name is the moon, but I'll let him introduce himself.
You don't get the joke, do ya? The Pope cannot be cremated because he's alive. Get it? It's illegal. Never mind. Oh wait, am I live? Howdy, drum circle peoples. It's me again. The moon. The next Prescott drum circle is on Tuesday, October 1st at 7 p.m. It's at the White Rock Trailhead on Thumb Butte Road. Just 5 minutes past the Thumb Butte Recreation Area. And next month, I'm gonna be blue. A blue supermoon.
Thank you mightily and properly. We are Tautonomous. We are Legion. Please excuse our English. We are not from around here.
So these terrorists think they can install a fake moon, eh?
Unfortunately, humans are stupid enough to fall for this. Dispatch all units of Team Mediocrify. Stat.
Your beloved moon.